Okay, what's this special human celebration about?
It's Guy Fawkes Night, or Bonfire Night, or Fireworks Night.
Is it another celebration that's just an excuse for humans to eat and drink stuff they shouldn't? It's the only reason I'm here.
But there's fireworks too, and they light up the night sky. It's beautiful.
So what does it commemorate? The time someone tried to blow up Parliament. What the fuck? And they celebrate that by blowing shit up? Isn't that in slightly poor taste? One of the planet's major religions has an instrument of torture as its symbol, and you think this is weird? I love this planet.